Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you have. Water-based paints accept rehydration, oil-based need solvents. Once you open the can, remove the dry film with a stiff scraper and set it aside. Pour the usable, settled paint into a clean bucket through a fine strainer. This separates clumps and debris. Then measure liquid additions carefully. Small changes matter. Make sure to wear gloves and work in a ventilated area. You're now positioned to restore consistency without wasting remaining paint. You'll repair texture by gradually reintroducing solvent. For latex, add clean water in small 5% steps and mix. For oil-based paints, use mineral spirits or thinner in 2 to 5% increments. Once done with each addition, stir vigorously for several minutes using a stick or a drill-mounted mixer to rebuild emulsion and eliminate lumps. Make sure to test viscosity with a brush or roller. Keep adjusting slowly rather than dumping liquid. If pigment has settled, repeated gentle mixing brings color back. You finish by filtering the reconditioned paint through a fine 100-200 mesh screen to catch remaining microclumps and ensure smooth application. Then test apply a thin coat to a scrap surface and allow it to dry fully so you can evaluate adhesion, sheen, and color shift. Make adjustments only after this. If the paint still skins, separates, or won't dry, add a compatible bonding primer or accept that the can is unusable. One troubleshooting tip: if drying fails, avoid more solvent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.